And his wife was holy crap. Feel like we didn't see that coming.
But how do I find it? I mean, for you,
Can we hear it?
what did my character do? I was going to be faster at Castle Bowden. Castle Bowden? It's a great location.
It's louder than that.
But it's hard to get to. Right. I won the Castle Bowden held in a challenge match from a player with the screen name Bruiser 33. The card is not there, but Bruiser said he did. Maybe it's better this time. What was this?